سورة القلم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
نون والقلم وما يسطرون.
Noon, by the pen and by what they write.
ما أنت بنعمة ربك بمجنون.
You, by the grace of your Lord, are not mad.
وإن لك لأجرا غير ممنون.
And verily, for you will be an endless reward.
وإنك لعلى خلق عظيم.
And verily, you are on an exalted character.
فستبصر ويبصرون بأيكم المفتون.
You will see, and they will see, which of you is afflicted with madness.
إن ربك هو أعلم بمن ضل عن سبيله وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
Verily, your Lord is the best knower of him who has gone astray from his path, and he is the best knower of those who are guided.
فلا تطع المكذبين.
So do not obey the deniers.
وَدُّوا لَوْ تُدْهِنُ فَيُدْهِنُونَ.
They wish that you should compromise with them, so they would compromise with you.
وَلَا تُطَعْ كُلَّ حَلَّافٍ مَهِينٍ.
And do not obey the one who swears much and is a liar or is worthless.
هماز مشاء بنميم.
A slanderer going about with calumnies.
مناع للخير معتد أثيم.
Hinderer of the good, transgressor, sinful.
عتل بعد ذلك زنيم.
Cruel, and moreover base-born.
أن كان ذا مال وبنين.
He was so because he had wealth and children.
إذا تتلى عليه آياتنا قال أساطير الأولين.
When our verses are recited to him, he says, tales of the men of old.
سنسمه على الخرطوم.
We shall brand him on the snout.
إنا بلوناهم كما بلونا أصحاب الجنة إذ أقسموا ليصرمنها مصبحين.
Verily, we have tried them as we tried the people of the garden when they swore to pluck the fruits of the garden in the morning.
ولا يستثنون.
Without saying, if Allah wills.
فطاف عليها طائف من ربك وهم نائمون.
Then there passed by on it a visitation of fire from your Lord at night and burnt it while they were asleep.
فأصبحت كالصريم.
So the garden became black by the morning, like a pitch-dark night.
فتنادوا مصبحين.
Then they called out to one another as soon as the morning broke.
أن اغدوا على حرثكم إن كنتم صارمين.
saying, "Go to your tilth in the morning if you would pluck the fruits."
فانطلقوا وهم يتخافتون ألا يدخلنها اليوم عليكم مسكين.
So they departed, conversing in secret low tones, saying, "No poor man shall enter upon you into it today."
وغدوا على حرد قادرين.
And they went in the morning with strong intention, thinking that they have power.
فلما رأوها قالوا إنا لضالون.
But when they saw the garden, they said, "Verily, we have gone astray."
بل نحن محرومون.
Then they said, "Nay, indeed we are deprived of the fruits."
قال أوسطهم ألم أقل لكم لولا تسبحون.
The best among them said, "Did I not tell you? Why didn't you say, if Allah wills?"
قالوا سبحان ربنا إنا كنا ظالمين.
They said, "Glory to our Lord. Verily, we have been wrongdoers."
فأقبل بعضهم على بعض يتلاومون.
Then they turned one against another, blaming.
قالوا يا ويلنا إنا كنا طاغين.
They said, "Woe to us! Verily, we were transgressors and disobedient."
عسى ربنا أن يبدلنا خيرا منها إنا إلى ربنا راغبون.
We hope that our Lord will give us in exchange a better garden than this. Truly we turn to our Lord.
كذلك العذاب ولعذاب الآخرة أكبر لو كانوا يعلمون.
Such is the punishment, but truly the punishment of the hereafter is greater if they but knew.
إن للمتقين عند ربهم جنات النعيم.
Verily, for the pious are gardens of delight with their Lord.
أفنجعل المسلمين كالمجرمين.
Shall we then treat the Muslims like the disbelievers, polytheists, criminals?
ما لكم كيف تحكمون.
What is the matter with you? How do you judge?
أم لكم كتاب فيه تدرسون.
Or have you a book wherein you learn?
إن لكم فيه لما تخيرون.
That you shall therein have all that you choose?
أم لكم أيمان علينا بالغة إلى يوم القيامة إن لكم لما تحكمون.
Or have you oaths from us, reaching to the day of resurrection, that yours will be what you judge?
سلهم أيهم بذلك زعيم.
Ask them, which of them will stand surety for that?
أم لهم شركاء فليأتوا بشركائهم إن كانوا صادقين.
Or have they partners? Then let them bring their partners if they are truthful.
يوم يكشف عن ساق ويدعون إلى السجود فلا يستطيعون.
Remember the day when the shin shall be laid bare, and they shall be called to prostrate themselves, but they shall not be able to do so.
خاشعة أبصارهم ترهقهم ذلة وقد كانوا يدعون إلى السجود وهم سالمون.
Their eyes will be cast down, and ignominy will cover them. They used to be called to prostrate themselves while they were healthy and good.
فذرني ومن يكذب بهذا الحديث سنستدرجهم من حيث لا يعلمون.
Then leave me alone with such as deny this Qur'an. We shall punish them gradually from directions they perceive not.
وأملي لهم إن كيدي متين.
And I will grant them a respite. Verily, my plan is strong.
أم تسألهم أجرا فهم من مغرم مثقلون.
Or is it that you ask them a wage so that they are heavily burdened with debt?
أم عندهم الغيب فهم يكتبون.
Or that the unseen is in their hands so that they can write it down?
فاصبر لحكم ربك ولا تكن كصاحب الحوت إذ نادى وهو مكظوم.
So wait with patience for the decision of your Lord, and be not like the companion of the fish, when he cried out while he was in deep sorrow.
لولا أن تداركه نعمة من ربه لنبذ بالعراء وهو مذموم.
Had not a grace from his Lord reached him, he would indeed have been left. So he was cast off on the naked shore while he was to be blamed.
فاجتباه ربه فجعله من الصالحين.
Then his Lord chose him and made him of the righteous.
وإن يكاد الذين كفروا ليزلقونك بأبصارهم لما سمعوا الذكر ويقولون إنه لمجنون.
And verily, those who disbelieve would almost make you slip with their eyes when they hear the reminder, and they say, verily, he is a madman.
وما هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
But it is nothing else than a reminder to all mankind, jinn, and that which exists.